Today we have a very cool Ferrari, a 330 GTC, a 1967 330 GTC that has been well known to us. It's led a charmed life, and we're going to take it for a ride and we'll discuss it further from the road. Come on. Okay, well, cold start. Needs a little bit of fuel. Clock is working. The amp meter is working. Let's make sure the oil pressure is great. Let's set tripometer. And let's get on the road. Well known to us because it was restored by well-known Wayne Carini, who's a friend of ours for many years. It has led a charmed life before that because it is actually 27,000 original kilometers based on the history that we have. The finest hands have touched it. It is Concours quality. We're going to show what it's like in traffic in Long Island at the wrong time of day. Thank you. Another bunch of people who should give their licenses back. Anyway, we'll let the gearbox warm up even though it's nice and warm out, 80 some odd degrees today. Horn works. With the auto flux on. Window up, window down. Thank you for coming on our road test with us, where we try everything. Window up, window down. Interior lights. Where the frost, let's see. Your blowers are working. We'll try the lights later. Let's try the radio. Wow, pretty cool. Antoine, is there an antenna back there that we didn't put up?
Our antenna is in the ashtray.
Oh, look at that. Okay, radio off. Antenna down. Wonderful teak dash. Great glove box alignment. Sometimes these are not very flush. Levers are all working properly. As you can see, the warning light for the fuel is working exceptionally well. Let's close the door. So, second gear is fine. We'll warm it up a little bit more when we go through suburbia, and then come back to you for our flybys. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Well, water temperature is up. Oil temperature is coming up. It's just started to move. We will drive through the back roads a little bit, warming it up. As is a known fact for the 330 GTC, it is probably the best driving vintage Ferrari ever. It does everything exceptionally well. Its road manners, its power, its looks. This was a European car from the get-go. It does not have air conditioning, but to me, that is not that big a problem. Having owned these over the years, I've gotten used to actually opening the vent windows from side to side, and that actually allows some really cool cross ventilation, which might actually be just about as good as AC, to be honest. And it seems to do the trick. It is cosmetically concours. It's mechanically fully done engine, gearbox. It really has no excuses, no disappointments. We're going to take it on the twisties down here to our flybys. On the way back, we will rev it out a bit on the farm road on the way back to the dealership, Autosport. Very tight, brakes well, tracks well, gearbox is excellent. Interior is fresh. First gear synchro is good. They're a joy to drive around town, as can be seen on many of the rallies I've been on. They're exceptional rally and tour cars. They're very comfortable. They have plenty of room for luggage. They have plenty of power from the 4-liter V12. And they sound great. They sound really great. Flyby's over. Hope you enjoyed them. Back onto the twisties a little bit. On our way back to the farm road. Temperatures are perfect. Cross ventilation is perfect. Company with Antoine is perfect. They're really lovely cars to drive. Makes all the right noises. It's got a gated shifter that you could hear. It's just extremely lovely. And there's not really much more you could say about a 330. We'll let the car speak for itself a little bit. Because if they're right, they're very, very, very right and exceptional throughout. And this one is such an example. Everything's at your fingertips. They're really not hellish Ferraris to maintain. Again, they're really docile around town, but they're fast when they're cruising on the highways and byways of America and Europe. This happens to be an excellent color combination, if I do say so myself, but I'm extremely partial to it. Nice afternoon cruising the back roads of Long Island. Let's use the horn again. Beyond horns, just the right tone. This particular 330 is extremely fresh. It's had sympathetic mileage since its restoration. It's had break-in mileage. Here we go on the farm road. We we don't have to go through the gears, but we want to tell everyone that was second, third, fourth, fifth. Again, it's the afternoon, evening. There's really no place we can go. But if you decided to goose it, she does go. To make someone very happy. She is a wonderful example. Antoine, I thank you for watching one of our videos yet again. And please, by all means, check the history of this car on the website. We've told it to the best of our ability and knowledge. And we look forward to any questions anyone may have. Thank you. See you on the next one.